Previously on T2 Sugars.
I have 8 days to transform this whole room. I'm painting every single wall in this room. So, this is going to be a tight one because there's a lot of wall and there's a lot to do.
Let's go! So it's week 2, let's get this one cracking. We have Michael Jordan going on, we have another painting going on here, down there, over there today, and yeah, we just need to get it all painted because I have 4 days to get this done. It is Tuesday because yesterday was a bank holiday, Monday because it was Easter weekend, and it's just get it painted. Let's just start, let's get paint on the wall. Come on, let's go. So, we are moving on to this little section on the opposite side of where Michael Jordan's been painted, and I'm going to be painting Usain Bolt. So it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be real fast. So yes, we are done with Usain Bolt. I'm trying not to reveal it until the end. The light just magically turned on. But I'm now going to whip it around very quickly, and this section next to Michael Jordan there and our horse by the Haas is going to be Serena Williams hitting a big old tennis ball. So let's go.
Let's see if we can get this in one shot. Nope.
So we are on to day number 7, and got some little visitors. Got the old family down here. Come down and have a little look. They said it's okay, it'll do. You know, most toughest critics out there, like, you know, especially little Emily here. She's not a fan at all. If it's not a cookie, then she doesn't care. But I'm gonna get Serena Williams in now. It's looking pretty fantastic. I've got to get the arm in and the tennis racket in. So, itchy eye. Let's get cracking. Oh, dearie me. Day 7 is done. It is now 12:30 and I am absolutely shattered. The whole thing has been a mammoth of a task, but I've enjoyed every single second of it, from the first job, cleaning the walls down, to working on this beast here. Yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed this. The whole transformation has been outstanding. I'm over the moon with what I've done so far, Obviously getting in Haas to come in and do his bits. His bits are outstanding, and the whole thing as a piece in general is really, it's mad what you can do in a couple of days. And I think it's just a lack of sleep. But every time I look around now, I'm getting a little bit emotional, really, and yeah, just wanting to see the reaction of everybody else that when they come to see it, when they come back to school in the following week. But yeah, I'm just going to carry on rambling if I sit here. I'm going to go home, get some sleep, probably about 6 hours, and I'll be back here for 8, 9 o'clock. So I'll see you in about 3 seconds when I take my hand back off the screen. 2, 1. So we're back! Last day, hopefully, we're going to get this guy finished, and a couple of words in and around on the walls, and school motto and things like that, and then wrap it all up. I'm going to get cracking with this now, get this done this morning, then work on the rest of it for the rest of the day. Quick chit chat then, let's get this done, let's get this finished. So yes, we are all done with all of the characters and all of the portraits. Now it's on to some lettering, which is the school values and things. So it's going to be successful, resilient, gospel values. We're going to go above this door here. Then there's a couple of the words dotted in and around on the gym. Later on then, I'm going to be cleaning up all of this mess that's on the floor, ready for Sunday when I come back and do the final shots. These are the last bits. Thank you so much if everyone has watched this video right through. It's been a long one. It's been a long few days, but we're nearly there. Stay tuned to the end. Well, there you have it. It is all done. I am finished at St Richard Gwyn Catholic High School, and I've had a blast. It's been a hard slog, but I've enjoyed every single second of it. I love doing these projects. I love seeing the transformation. I love seeing it, how it is at the beginning, the potential a room has for artwork in general. Big thanks for this one, for Haas coming in and doing our cheetah and our stallion. Massive thank you to Mr. Leftley for actually having me in, the headmaster here at St Richard Gwyn Catholic School. And yeah, I hope all the pupils here admire the artwork, admire the people that are on the wall, and strive for bigger and better things in their future, because that's what this is all about. It's all about inspiring the next generation. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys like the mural, like the art, like the transformation, and I've had a blast. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.